What's going on, guys? Ronnie with the Local Losers here. Today we're doing some Subaru stuff. We're getting a little more into Subaru stuff right now. Bo's got something cool going on. I got something cool going on. But today it's not about Bo or I. It's about our friend Matt. We'll put his Instagram right about there. Anyways, so this is Matt. He's driving this. This is a 2007 STI. It's got 60 some odd thousand miles on it, right? 68,000, just under 70,000 miles. Pretty clean car. Previous owner did some questionable stuff, but for the price, the miles, the legend, it was totally worth it. So he's taking off the bumper, at least trying to. He's pretending that he knows what he's doing.
I act like I know what I'm doing most of the time.
We're gonna put these on. These are kind of the same thing that I have on my car, but these are actually legit. They're made by somebody that knows what they're doing, not me. So we're gonna figure out these, get them on there, and we're gonna use the experience from doing the proper ones to modify mine to make mine work better. And there's Levi, always getting in the camera shot, being a little punk. Huh, Levi? Are you a punk? So I've never worked on a Hawkeye, as this is called, and they have clips that hold on the bumper hidden inside the grill, and then down under here there's another one right there. You see that? One on each side. So there's one behind each grill and one up under the car on each side.
Wherever. Then you also have to take
right there
the screw out from the bracket.
Yeah, so there's a
screw on the backside.
Bolt on the backside. These are all just kind of clipped on there. And then you got 6 or so across the top, the radiator support. And then hopefully now it comes off. We've been trying for a couple minutes. And we keep finding more and more clips. There might be another one. Yep, 2 more probably right there, or at least 1.
Yep, there's 1. There's actually 3.
So there's 3 in the middle. This is ridiculous, Subaru. Just to get a bumper off? Holy cow.
2 in the middle. What was it? 3, 6 on top. Plus the 2 bolts. They really wanted to make sure the outside of the bumper didn't come off.
And we're just going to go to 2 little Quik-Latches. So this car was in a little bit of a fender bender kind of thing. You can tell right here on the core supports that it being a little bit messed up. So anyways, they replaced the headlights. And look at this hack job, man. We're gonna have to figure out what the hell all this crap is. It's ridiculous, the things that people do to cars. Like, this is a ground for the headlight, and they just grounded it right there to the chassis. And this is just crazy stuff. It looks like this runs over to the other headlight. We're gonna have to look. And these are slip connectors. And then they had just electrical tape wrapped around them to keep them from grounding out on stuff, because they didn't use full slip-in connectors. This is the kind of stuff that you have to be wary of when you buy a used car, especially when you get into more performance cars that aren't super expensive. People just do some weird stuff. Luckily, my STI didn't have any weird stuff on it. So far, this car hasn't had that many weird stuff done to it, and we'll be able to solve all these problems. We'll figure out what the hell's going on with all that crap, and we'll get it cleaned up. We'll get these new headlights in, which look way better. So this is the old headlight, which isn't a terrible looking headlight, but it's an eBay light, so it looks okay. It's not bad, but the new headlights look bomb, way better. I don't know if better than factory. I'm kind of a stickler for factory stuff, but tell me that doesn't look way better. Yeah, new headlights are going to be killer. So now we just got to figure out the wiring mess. Wish us luck. So old headlights are out. New headlights are getting ready to go in. They're pretty simple. We were a little worried because all this crazy wiring. In fact, this is pretty funny. This car has like Ethernet cables wired into it. Where's that cable, Matt? Oh, look, right here. Right here.
One end.
That goes into the car. That does. And then this is went from one headlight to the other. There's the other end right there. So weird. I don't know who does this stuff, but it's crazy. Crazy stuff. Goes inside the car. We don't know what it goes to. It was plugged into the headlights. Super funny, super weird. New headlights have this wiring harness here, ballast for each side, and they use this fat gray factory plug here. And that's it. That's it. They're done. They're wired. Super simple. We just got to tie them into the battery, but a little worried on where this other wiring goes, so we might trace it a little bit. We might not. We don't know. We got a little bit to get done tonight. So we found out what all those wires were. They just ran to random switches inside the car. Ended up just tearing those out. So that's all gone. All the weird wiring stuff is gone. The Ethernet cable wasn't even plugged into anything on the inside, so I have no idea what was going on there. Now we're working on getting the Quik-Latches put on. This is the mounting that we were given by Move Over Racing. You can find them on Instagram. It just bolted right up. We didn't have to drill or nothing. We're just gonna have to drill into the bumper. Right now we're dorks, and we lost the Quik-Latches, so we have to find them. All right, guys. So as usual, we run into a snag. Need a part. We got to go to AutoZone, O'Reilly's, or something. Right here, there should be a little clip in there, and then there's one that goes down here somewhere, maybe right there. We gotta go try and find those. Wish us luck. It wasn't that much of a bust, because we got some Taco Bell. Y'all know, local losers love Taco Bell. Look at Bowser. He even loves Taco Bell. You like Taco Bell, Bowser? You like Taco Bell? You like that Taco Bell, Bowser? We all love Taco Bell around here. We got the new wiring kind of just laid out here, how it's going to go. But check out these headlights, man. They look good. Alright, guys, we got the lights all wired up. They're right here. Let me show you what they look like. I'm going to get Matt to turn them on. I got to get over here a little bit, kind of behind the hard body so we can actually see them. Alright, Matt, let's see those bad boys. Dang. They look good. They look good. So, it's a little cramped. Let me find my light. A little cramped on this side. We're gonna have to kind of go back through and change some stuff up a little bit. But for the most part, it's not bad. We got our positive there, ground's over there. It runs down up under the headlight there. It's gonna go across. We're gonna zip tie it, and then it's gonna go here. Runs under there, right there, over into there. So that needs to be moved down a little bit. We'll move that. This side isn't pinched anywhere. It's down there. Looks real good, guys. Probably finish up putting the bumper on at the barbecue. That way all the Subaru guys can kind of check it out and see what we're working with. Because it's a pretty cool install. It's a lot neater than the two kind of things where you put one on your fender here and then one on your bumper and you have the stupid rubber band. So it's the next day. Matt came back over. We're working on the STI still. We got the brackets on. We painted them. You can see that. Painted the tips of the things. That way we can mark the bumper. Did that on both sides. So the brackets are on. They're pretty nice. Here's the bumper. You can see our little mark there. And the other one there. We're going to go ahead and drill some holes. And hopefully next time you guys see this bumper, it'll be on the car. So Matt left a while ago, and I totally spaced it and forgot to get video of the bumper fitted and looking good and everything. So I had him send me a bunch of pictures. Insert those pictures now. perfect, but it looks pretty good. As you guys can tell by the pictures, we're gonna end up squaring it away, doing some stuff. It looks like the core support from the accident that it was in is pushed back a little bit too far. We're gonna try and pull that out because the bumper tucks in underneath the hood. We also might try and push the hood back. I'm not real sure, but we're gonna try some things. But the bumper pops out because the front is pushed in too far and it causes the bumper to pop out. We're gonna try and get that figured out. But anyways, thanks for hanging out with us while we got that stuff done on his car. It's really a big deal. He just bought that car, making it a lot nicer for him. So we appreciate you guys helping us. See you later.